unong aiktien jong ukpa bukhoy upop Francis ubadipek yakari India bat yakari Nepal u apostolic nuncio ulapoy menin arpokundai terek haslong nakabenta bansaki bat bandon kti nakajing penkentang bishop yai Father Bernard Lalu kalalong kaba isyongnya pat kalalong kaba isyong kun kalong kaba don bok ro yaka jalan yang ba Meghalaya bakalayo sa uwaipat u bishop yai Father Bernard Lalu la ajing kren u apostolic nuncio unong aiktien jong upop badipek yaka India bat ka Nepal la pendep yaka niam karukom pat penkentang ya u bishop batamai yai Father Bernard Lalu dai Bishop Victor u Bishop jong ka jalan yang ba Shillong hadin kenila le burom ya ki Bishop harkat u Chief Minister ka jalan Meghalaya Mr. Conrad Sangma u Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Preston Tengsong bat Mr. Snew Bhalang Dikhar hadin ba u Chief Minister Mr. Conrad Sangma lapan kuburom ya u Bishop batumai Most Reverend Bernard Lalu bat nakaling jong u Bishop Most Reverend Bernard Lalu lapan kuburom kaliang ya u Chief Minister bat ya u Deputy Chief Minister
ai ban kin ko ngo ay ke kum jing play andala palla ya ki naga jing jenjar ai bakin pahu abaro ki babha daga bayai pendam ka jing ai ka jing syakri jong pi kenang ba pin yo ai ka jing suk ba ka jing jaya ka ne ka jing em Beringkat bat pion syam ki lok ki babedor ban yo benta ka jing selok jong ki trai chinong jong ka bom
This afternoon we gather here to acknowledge and celebrate the achievement and milestone of our newly ordained auxiliary bishop Most Reverend Bernard Lalu. And to make this gathering more meaningful and graceful, we have in our midst the Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, Most Reverend Leopoldo Gereli. We also have with us the Archbishop of Guwahati, the Bishop of Nongstoin, and other bishops and bishops of different dioceses. We are also grateful to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, and the Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tensong, and Shri Snew Bhalang Dhar. Now to facilitate the Auxiliary Bishop, Most Reverend Father Bernard Lalu, Most Reverend Bernard Lalu, I request Reverend Father Thomas Manjali, Conklin Badwar, and Sister Rita to kindly come forward. They are here representing the clergy, the laity, and religious. Therefore, may I now request the Auxiliary Bishop, Most Reverend Bernard Lalu, kindly come forward and accept this gift of our appreciation. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Conklin and Sister Rita, for doing the honor. To facilitate His Excellency, Most Reverend Leopoldo Gereli, the Nuncio to India and Nepal, I call again on our Auxiliary Bishop, Most Reverend Bernard Lalu. And I'm also honored to call the Apostolic Nuncio of India and Nepal, His Excellency, Most Reverend Leopoldo Gereli, to come forward and receive this token of love and appreciation. Your presence here today adds more grace and joy in our celebration. Dear friends and faithful, let's put a hand together. Para bangit baro tungin ay kaching tapti kabajam. Dear Bishop Victor Lindo, thank you for being the great shepherd in the Archdiocese of Shillong. Now I also request our Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, and the Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tensong Asneo Bhalang Dhar, kindly come forward and accept these gifts as we acknowledge and value your presence here today. Now we request the sisters and students. We also like to request the nuncio to kindly come forward, and our Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister will facilitate you. And also we request our Archbishop Victor Lingdor. So thank you very much, the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, our Auxiliary Bishop, to facilitate our Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. Friends and faithfuls, I request you kindly put your hands together. Para bangit baro ay kicing tapdi ke bajam na ke benda Auxiliary Bishop ha baile Boram ye Chief Minister badan Boram jingi but Deputy Chief Minister. Thank you very much, Auxiliary Bishop.